Hello, my name is Ryan, owner-operator and Winning with Food team lead for the GSW region.
My name is David, owner-operator. We're here today visiting my restaurant in Wagner, Oklahoma.
Today we want to review with you some important food safety procedures to ensure that we are delivering on our McDonald's standards.
If you think about it, food safety is everywhere. We must ensure that each and every customer has a safe visit that makes them feel good about McDonald's.
Our ultimate responsibility at McDonald's is to serve safe food. Safe food is free of harmful bacteria, viruses, and harmful substances that could cause our customers to become sick. This is a responsibility that we take very seriously at McDonald's. It takes a team effort to incorporate and implement effective food safety procedures. Managers, crew, and suppliers have an active role in learning and practicing the food safety procedures that have been established. Through proper training and constant attention to established food safety procedures, McDonald's will continue to uphold and enhance the reputation that it has developed. McDonald's CEO Steve Easterbrook places the highest importance on food safety.
We never take for granted. We have 60-odd million customers a day visit McDonald's around the world. The absolute #1 priority for us is food safety.
Food safety is not only important for our customers, it is important for you and our overall brand. One food safety mistake can tarnish the reputation of not only your restaurant, but thousands of restaurants worldwide. This needs to be something that is constantly on your mind as you go throughout your day. Today, we are going to review food safety tips so you can lead your restaurant and team to ensure outstanding food safety to our customers. It is very important to keep your hand washing stations cleaned and sanitized throughout the day. Remember, it is a hand washing sink only, and nothing else should be put into the sinks. The following supplies and equipment must be available and functioning at all hand wash sinks in the kitchen and all restrooms. Soap dispensers with foaming antibacterial hand soap. Warm running water, lukewarm temperature. The FDA recommends a water temp of at least 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Hand dryers must be functioning, or a supply of paper towels must be available. Sanitized towels are used constantly throughout the day to clean and sanitize equipment and surfaces. It is very important to ensure the towels we are cleaning with have the proper sanitizer concentration, are clean with no signs of grease or debris buildup, and are never left laying out. There should be about 40 clean towels or 20 clean grill cloths in the bucket. The target sanitizer concentration is 100 parts per million when first prepared. Place a 2-hour holding time in a visible location. Test towel buckets every hour. If the concentration falls below 50 parts per million or the water appears dirty, replace the solution and water. Gloves are very important in preventing the spread of germs and keeping our food safe. Clear gloves should be worn when toasting buns, assembling and wrapping sandwiches, preparing salads, parfaits, pre-sorting lettuce, and wedging lemons and limes. Wear blue gloves when handling raw or frozen beef, pork, or chicken, and when cracking eggs. Do not wear blue gloves on top of clear gloves. Only wear one pair at a time. Secure gloves by pushing down in between fingers and inspect the glove for rip or tears. When removing gloves, do not touch the outside of the glove with your bare hand. Remove gloves from the back of the wrist and take the glove off so that it turns inside out. Not only is preparing safe food important, it is just as important we make sure the equipment we use to store and hold the food is safe as well. We must inspect our wire racks and UHC trays on a daily basis to ensure there is no grease or debris buildup. Another important part of safe food storage is making sure our coolers are at or below 40 degrees. In order to maintain temperature in the refrigerators, verify the gaskets are in good condition, properly installed, and are sealing the door when shut. About 98% of the food we serve our customers is stored in the walk-in cooler or freezer. It is highly recommended to place a thermometer in every refrigerated unit that holds product. Another very important part of food safety is to ensure all boxes are closed and any loose product is in the original packaging and sealed with the proper secondary hold time. Any equipment that is running water has a potential food safety hazard of mold buildup. Routines must be in place to inspect ice machines, ice chutes, and water rinse areas. To prevent illness, we must keep these areas clean and free of bacteria growth. Code dates are on every product in our restaurant. we must ensure that code dates are labeled and reviewed during pre-shift checklists. A good way to manage code dates is ensuring we are using the FIFO, first in, first out method of inventory rotation. Keeping the inventory organized will help you succeed in rotating product. Opening and closing crew should be responsible for cleaning out all expired product on that day to ensure we don't sell the expired product. When we open a package, carton, or sleeve of a product, a secondary shelf life sticker must be placed on the open product and the product that may be covered and stored. This is because food will start to grow bacteria and pathogens once temperature is lost, and for expiration purposes. Also, it is important to not re-sticker product. It should be wasted and replaced rather than putting a sticker over another one. Hygiene of the crew is very important. A crew person should not look messy, have long fingernails or open sores. Hair should be pulled back and restrained under a hat or hairnet. Hygiene also includes a nice clean uniform. It should be washed after every shift. Proper hand washing is also a key ingredient for crew hygiene. You should be able to identify the symptoms of the Big Six illness: Campylobacter, Salmonella typhi and non-typhoid, Shigella, E. coli, hepatitis A, and norovirus. The symptoms associated with these illnesses are fever, vomit, diarrhea, and jaundice, as described in the following table. This page can be found on Access MCD and should be posted in your restaurants for everyone to see. Food safety testing must be performed every day and tracked. The past 60 days are required to be in the restaurant. It is important to track any changes or dialing in that has been performed on the grills, and they should be dialed in daily. Temperatures are not going to be exactly the same for multiple days. It is important to ensure proper execution of the checklist. A proper pest program should be in place for inside and outside the building. It is also up to the staff to ensure the cleanliness of the facility to prevent any type of infestation. This includes all products stored at least 6 inches off of the ground, proper cleaning of floors, keeping the corral area clean and free of debris, and making sure all dumpsters have lids and they are kept closed. All states have different requirements for food prep certifications. These laws must be followed and adhered to. ServSafe is required for all shift managers and above, and they should be kept nearby in the office and available for anyone who asks to review them. Food safety is something that our customers rely on us having. Without it, no one would come to our restaurant. It is not only important to our customers' well-being, it is also very important to each one of you for your own health and safety. Food safety is something that should be a top priority. We are counting on you to be advocates, leaders, and teachers in food safety.